All right, guys, we got a 10-foot hallway right here. And the code for your hallway is 10 feet hallway, get one plug. Any less than that, no plug required by the code book. But if you're a good electrician, add one either way for the homeowner, because sometimes they have kids, they put a little bit of hallway light on the wall. So it's good to add one. But to start saving on materials when you're doing your own home, you got to know the code, because usually when you don't know your code, some electrician would go 6 foot, follow the 6 foot rules on hallway, which is in hallway you don't need to. All right, so on the hallway, within 10 feet on the hallway, you only need one plug on your hallway. So we got 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. That's not required. You can delete this one, keep this one, definitely keep this one, and you can also delete that one. And if you wanted, you could have just leave that single one right here. It would cover for that entire 10 feet of the hallway.